Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own choker. It's actually really simple. So we need, okay, let's just go on the video because I'm actually lazy. So first, you need a piece of fabric. You need a piece of fabric, and so you need a piece of fabric that's actually really simple. And you need a pin. Then I'm just gonna use a emoji one. So you need to make sure it's actually really straight so you can put it in. And okay, hold up. I'm just gonna use this one since I'm actually really lazy. So you need a piece of fabric and put this in. Yeah. So you gotta look. So yeah. Look. And now it's dabbed in there. So right here. And you gotta close it, but make sure you move the fabric like this and put it in there. It's gonna take very long because I'm actually like the slowest person. Okay, now it's done, and it doesn't have to be straight. So yeah, just leave it alone. Hey, now you got your choker. And now you're done. So I hope you enjoyed, and do not send any hate comments just because I'm creative. I am actually creative and it actually helps. And plus, the pin you have doesn't have to be straight. So make sure it doesn't. So, bye.